Um, so let me go. I have this really weird story. I stumbled upon this today, and this is really strange. Nobody else was talking about it. Let me just like do full on this. Now I'll just sit down here. So, brand new muscle car granted Mopar license to unleash classic power and style. Uh, no, Puzzle doesn't wear a bow tie. She's a girl. It's the Slick that wears a bow tie because he's an assistant. Um, okay, so I saw the story. Brand new muscle car, original from scratch muscle car builder, proudly announces its official license with FCA USA LLC. The collaboration will allow them to produce classic continuation builds, classic muscle car restorations, and craft breakthrough resto mods, all under the legendary Mopar name. David W. Miller, president of Brand New Muscle Cars, expressed his enthusiasm. We were thrilled to be licensed by Mopar. Classic Mopar vehicles with their big power, wild colors, and iconic body lines have always held a special place in our hearts. Operating out of a renovated auto dealership on a sprawling 10-acre facility in Tulsa, Oklahoma, brand new muscle car and the sister company Unique Custom and Restorations of Tulsa boasts more than 30,000 square feet of design and fabrication space, along with the offices and a showroom. And they go into the different levels of car. And it's just really strange because they license this. So basically they can build a brand new car, like a 70 Cuda or a 70 Challenger or a 72 Charger if they wanted to. And I can't get a trunk from my car or a set of fenders. I find this fascinating that Stellantis did this for the old car. They licensed out the old car stuff, but there's almost no support. And here's their website. And like, these are brand new cars. Like, that's a brand new Mustang. That's a brand new Camaro. So they modify things. They make right-hand drive for those people down there in Australia or in England. And it's actually really fascinating stuff. So this was just something I stumbled upon today. It was just really weird that our buddies at Stellantis are now, licensing out Mopar brand to this company that will make brand new cars. It's kind of fascinating. I just kind of thought that was interesting and one of those weird things in life. If you have a cool old classic car or a nifty sports car or just something that's kind of fun to drive, take it out because, you'll make someone's day. It'll probably be your own. And I'll catch you down the road. Thanks a lot.